If you own a home and had thoughts of selling, but your home needs a little TLC or a few upgrades, we have a great program our brokerage offers to fix up your home at no upfront cost. Today we're here to tell you about it. We're Doug and Rachel Swardstrom with the Swardstrom Group and Coldwell Banker Realty.
Today we're here to talk about Vitalize. What is Vitalize? Coldwell Banker Realty partnered with HomeAdvisor to help with improvements and repairs to prep homes for sale, maximize the selling price, and minimize the time a home is on the market. Sellers pay nothing until closing. Coldwell Banker Realty will cover the upfront costs and get paid back when the home sells at escrow.
And the best part, no payments until closing, no hidden fees, no interest charges, and no markups.
So what type of projects does Vitalize include? Staging. We include staging for our clients that would be for a vacant home that needs large-scale furniture or accessorizing and supplementing the furniture you already have. Appliance purchasing and installation. Kitchen and bathroom upgrades. Carpentry. Carpet cleaning and flooring installation. Cleaning and maid service. Curb appeal enhancements, landscaping, painting, drywall and insulation, electrical upgrades, handyman services, plumbing, wall and ceiling repair. All those are included as possibilities for you.
So how does this work? So we would schedule an appointment with the project consultant, and then we would agree on services and agree on pricing and manage the project from start to finish. All services will be billed to Coldwell Banker Realty and paid at Close of Escrow with no hidden cost, interest rates, or markups.
How much can a seller borrow as part of Vitalize? Up to $50,000.
So you may ask, how do I know that the HomeAdvisor service providers will be good? HomeAdvisor has a rigorous screening process for service providers, including background checks and licensing requirements. Vitalize providers are selected for having the highest customer ratings, reasonable pricing, and proven experience.
How does pricing work? Before HomeAdvisor begins any work, the price will be clearly communicated and the seller will have the chance to review any quoted work before it's performed. Once we've listed a home, often homeowners will just give us the keys and we take care of the rest. We're comfortable recommending flooring, paint colors, renovations, and staging that will bring in the highest offers in the shortest amount of time. Reach out to us to find out more about the 10 homes we renovated in 2022. Our contractors were readily available and the renovations were well worth the investment.
So this is a unique program offered by our brokerage. If you're thinking of selling and your home needs a little TLC, call us and find out more to see how this program can improve your home selling experience. So give us a call and we are happy to discuss the details. Every home has a story, so let's help tell yours by making it look its best.